In the heart of Kyiv is the beautiful Kyoto Park, which attracts residents of the capital to enjoy the magnificent spectacle, avenues of blossoming sakura trees. In spring, these sakura trees transform, blossom, and bring joy to park guests. People walk through the park with admiration, enjoying the beauty that nature has given us. The entire park is enveloped in the magnificent fragrance of flowers. Everything is in full bloom, making it a veritable blooming paradise. Kyoto Park in Kyiv is decorated in the style of Japanese culture. In the heart of the park is a Japanese stone garden. Here you can see various special elements in Japanese style. There is an artificial hill in the park, which symbolizes Japan's main mountain, Fujiyama. This hill creates a special energy and atmosphere in the park. A pond with an island, to which a beautiful Japanese bridge leads, is also part of this unique landscape, and an artificial waterfall adds water harmony to the surrounding nature. The entrance to the Japanese garden is adorned with lanterns, which add to the grandeur of the place. Kyoto Park in Kyiv is an oasis of nature and Japanese culture. It allows guests to immerse themselves in the atmosphere of Japan, enjoy the beauty of the garden, and find tranquility amongst the natural and architectural elements. The history of the origin of Kyoto Park in Kyiv is linked to the establishment of twinning relations between the city of Kyiv and the city of Kyoto, the cultural capital of Japan. As a sign of friendship and cooperation between the two cities, in 1972 the park was founded, which was named after the new twin city Kyoto. The name Kyoto was also given to the street next to the park. In September 2011, an alley of 360 sakura trees was planted in the park. Now, every year at the end of April, Japanese cherry trees delight visitors to the park with their magnificent blossoms. White and delicate pink flowers cover the branches of the trees, creating a mesmerizing picture. It is a spectacle that attracts locals and visitors to Kyiv who are eager to enjoy this beauty and capture unique moments. The beauty and fragrances of the blossoming trees in Kyoto Park are difficult to convey with words. However, beautiful music can complement and enhance the aesthetic perception of nature and the blossoming trees. Sounds of notes are softly intertwined with the spring breeze and sounds of nature, creating a musical canvas that reflects the tenderness and beauty of the blossoming trees. The melody is picked up by delicate blossoming tree branches with pink and white hues of flowers that ripple in the wind. All this kaleidoscope of music and color takes us into another world, full of harmony, magic, and beauty. The melody takes us into another dimension, where time slows down, and the heart beats in tune with nature. People stroll along the long avenues, enjoying the scent and beauty of the blossoming trees. There is a special atmosphere of peace, tranquility, and admiration for the beauty of nature. At Kyoto Park, every corner has been thoughtfully designed to convey the authenticity and magic of Japanese garden art. Visitors can enjoy not only the visual splendor, but also the sense of blooming sakura trees and the sounds of nature that surround them in this unique place. The sakura blossoms in Kyoto Park are one of nature's most beautiful and captivating phenomena, reminding us of the futility of time and the importance of enjoying every beautiful moment in life. The blossoming sakura trees merge into one, creating a unique atmosphere in which each flower reflects the beauty and majesty of nature. A walk in the park allows us to enjoy the beautiful moment of spring and keep these feelings in our hearts forever.